Do you suck at starting campfires and keeping them going like I do? Do you smother them like you do your relationships? Well, this might be the tool for you. Introducing the Fire Pit Stoker Poker from Walden Backyards. Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to my outdoor adventure review channel. We are going to be reviewing this Stoker Poker. It is 33 inches long. They also have a 42-inch long one. It's considered their extra long. We have a very nice one-way blow valve. So as you are blowing the fire, stoking the fire, you will not inhale any smoke. If you can see here, this is where the air comes out. So you are at a safe distance. Has a nice carrying ring so that you can hang it up. And it is made of a high carbon steel material, so it is very durable. I'm going to get the fire ready to go, and we are going to get it going and keep it going with this Fire Pit Stoker Poker. Before we lose all daylight, we're gonna get this fire going. There we go. Okay, we will just leave it at that. Don't make me look bad. Don't make me look bad. Hopefully we can keep some flames, and we will use our handy Stoker Poker. There's a flame. There's a flame. Okay, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. See that? Yeah. We're cooking now. We are cooking now. Beautiful. I love this thing. This is one of my favorite things I've reviewed. I've used it many times and it's great. I find that I hold this around the campsite everywhere I go. I can easily move the logs around when I need to, pick them up because it has this really great hook on there. I love this. This is my go-to whenever I have a fire. I love it. And let me know what you thought of this video. If you liked it, I hope you'll subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.